After a strict 72-hour aging test, our 60 P10 outdoor fixed installation LED screens have passed various quality inspections and have been successfully delivered to customers in Kuwait. In order to ensure the integrity and safety of the screen, we chose wooden boxes for packaging during transportation. Wooden box packaging can effectively protect the safety of the LED screen during transportation and reduce the impact of collision and vibration on the product. Through this full container shipment by sea, we will provide customers with high-quality P10 outdoor LED screens to help them meet their needs for advertising display and event promotion. We will continue to strive to provide high-quality products and perfect services to establish long-term and stable cooperative relationships with customers.